Welcome back to the second channel, everyone. You might be in a situation where your TikTok is not working. Maybe you can't even load anything. Maybe you're not able to post anything. Whatever the case is, there's a couple ways to go ahead and fix this. First off, follow me if you guys want to. There's the name, there's the everything. I never post on this, but I like having the followers. So I already have 71. Maybe I'll get like 80 by the end of this year, who knows? But the very first thing that I always tell people, whether it's on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, is to check on Twitter or check online and see if TikTok is down. Because there can be many cases, and you might already have came to this video if TikTok is down, and if you are, leave a comment down below so people know that. There might be a situation where TikTok is not working, their servers are down, whatever, so there's really nothing you can do. All you can do is just wait until they have it fixed. So that's the first thing. There's really no way you can fix that. They have to fix it and then they'll send an update and then you can go and continue on. So if you're able to go on TikTok in a couple hours from then that's cool. If you're still having issues and TikTok is not down, the first thing you want to do is you want to go into the App Store. You want to search up TikTok like this. You want to click on it and you want to see if TikTok has an update. Now, as you can see, my TikTok does have an update. So maybe there were some issues in the specific version that I'm on that does not allow me to post, or there's errors or whatever the case is. So what you want to do is you want to update your TikTok. This can be the same case with Instagram and Snapchat. If you ever have any issues, just update it. Now, updating might cause some more issues, who knows? But this should fix a lot of the issues, and you should be on the newest and latest version. So there may have been errors in the version you're on, but if you update it, then this one should be fixed for the most part. So now that we have that out of the way, if you're able to open it, then that's great. If you're not able to open it, then there might be an issue with your network. So what you want to do is you want to swipe down here, you want to click on your little whatever this is, whether on Android it might be different, and you want to make sure you're connected to some sort of network. So if that green thing is on, then that means you're probably getting data. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you want to make sure you see some Wi-Fi signal here, and you just want to go to Safari or something and just load a web page. So as you can see, I just loaded up apple.com, and you can see, if you're able to load up a website, then you're set. If you're not able to load up a website, then you might not be connected to a network, either Wi-Fi or cellular or whatever the case is. So you want to double check and make sure you're able to connect to some Wi-Fi or data or whatever the case is. And if you are and you're able to successfully load up a website, try going back into TikTok and try seeing if you can load up a TikTok of some sort. And if you're able to, then that's great. If you're not able to, then the last thing you're going to have to do is to delete TikTok off your phone and then reinstall TikTok. And in order to do that on an iPhone, the Android is pretty much the same way. You just hold the app down, you go down here and you click delete, and then you go back to the App Store and reinstall it just like how you installed it for the first time. And that should probably fix all the TikTok related issues you may have. Whether that's network issues, you're not able to post, you're not able to follow people, whatever the case is, this should probably fix all of those majority of those issues. And that's pretty much it. If you guys want to also use some of my sounds on TikTok, dude, I dropped a ton of songs on TikTok. Not just for TikTok, they're on SoundCloud and everything, but you go and use these sounds, I'd love it. And send me the posts on DMs on Twitter or whatever, and I'll check them out. But that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys get that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys would check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.